Hello, my dear students, and welcome in the Indoor Environmental Control course. I am Associate Professor Kareem Galal. The title of this lecture is Daylight and Sunlight. We will start with the sky conditions. The available light is determined by sky conditions. The fully overcast sky acts as a diffuse light source. For example, the whole sky hemisphere is a source of light. Light outdoors can arrive directly from the sun, which is referred to as sunlight, or can be diffused by the atmosphere. For example, by clouds. The term daylight, in a loose sense, is often used for both. But in technical language, it means only the diffused light. The illuminance produced by an overcast sky strongly depends on the solar altitude angle, ALT, behind the clouds. In the absence of measured data, it can be estimated as this formula. Under clear sky conditions, direct sunlight can give an illuminance of 100 kilolux. But if the sunlight itself is excluded, the sky can give 40 to 50 kilolux diffuse illuminance. With clear skies, the sky luminance is taken as uniform. In many climates, intermediate sky conditions occur most of the time. The average illuminance produced by such a sky, excluding direct sunlight, can be estimated as the next formula. Measured illuminance data are rarely available. More locations have measured solar irradiance data, like our weather station. From this, the illuminance can be estimated by using the luminous efficacy values of solar radiation. This is defined as the following formula. For natural light sources, typical efficacy values are: for example, if the weather station irradiance sensor read is 30 watts per meter square, and the sky condition is overcast, the luminous efficacy will be 110, from the table below. So the illuminance will be 30 by 110 equals 3300 lux. But not all times the sunlight reaches our designed openings. We want to specify the certain time that the sunlight reaches the window. To calculate this, we should study the overshadowing. To do this, we should use some tools. First, the sun chart or the sun path diagram for a specific latitude which our building located on. This chart contains radial red lines specify the orientation angle from the north direction or south according to the sun chart system. Red circles specify the altitude angle of the sun. We will not use it in our task. Blue radial curves specify the time of the day. Blue central curves specify the month. Second, the shadow angle protractor contains radial lines that specify the plan overshadowing range caused by the obstruction building. Curved lines that specify the section overshadowing range, VSA, vertical shadow angle. Let's take this example. We want to specify the overshadowing period that the obstruction building occurs on our opening, A. First, draw the outline plan to a suitable drawing scale as you see left. Second, specify the midpoint of the specified window and draw lines from it to the edges of the obstructing existing building. Third, draw the outline sec to a suitable drawing scale as you see left. Fourth, take point, A, at the ground floor windowsill level of the proposed building, then draw a line from it to the top edge of the obstructing existing building. The lines on the plan can be transferred to the shadow angle protractor, to delineate the horizontal extent of overshadowing. In this case 45 degrees and 28 degrees. Then on a section, the line drawn from point, A, to the top edge of the existing building gives the VSA, vertical shadow angle, in this case 40 degrees, which is represented by the 40 degrees arc of the protractor. This completes the shading mask. If this is superimposed on the sun path diagram for the location, according to orientation, in this case southeast, or 135 degrees. The times and dates of overshadowing can be read on the midsummer day only for a few minutes at about 7:30. But on equinox dates from 6 o'clock to about 11 o'clock. Thanks for following me and hope that I have explained the topic well. This material is copyrighted. Associate Professor Kareem Galal 2021. All rights reserved.